Hi, my name's John and welcome to the first Sunday in December, the first of the month, or the first Sunday of the month. I always do my free monthly draw. So I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer, see if I can find a winner. Right, none of your business, 4054, you are the winner. All you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there. I'll get your address and I'll get the items posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to continue doing giveaways as long as people keep giving me stuff to give away. If you want to enter this one's giveaway, it's really easy. All you've got to do is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with as many friends as possible. In the comments box, you must write the following comments. I mean, you can write anything you want as long as you include this. And it's 2025 giveaway 12. Simple as that. All lowercase, no full stops, no nothing like that. 2025 giveaway 12. I'm going to show the prizes now for this month's giveaway, which will be drawn obviously in January. Right, this month's prizes, there's a nice little finger detail there. My friend Bob's had it apart, cleaned it up and made it work beautifully. There's a set of feel-like edges there, always handy. There's a nice little deburring tool there from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. These are really useful. Set of Cleveland twist drills. This is the last set. I'll have to try and get some more twist drills. One of my patrons, a lad called Thomas Williams, has kindly printed these off for us. They're Morse taper cleaners, protectors. He's done number 1s and number 2s. You can have whichever one you want, either a 1 or a 2. If you don't want one of them, we'll do and get one. They're really handy. You leave it in the Morse taper on your tailstock all the time. Keeps the shite out of it. And they're really good for cleaning. Get all the crap out. Really useful bits of kit. Once again, Thomas, thanks very much.